Hey there, is that a new device? It only comes with a US standard plug, right? That must be really frustrating when you travel. UK, Europe, and Australia all have different plug sockets. Confusing, I know. Having the right adapter is one thing. Having the right cable, however, is a whole other story. Most phones rely on a USB charging port or the relatively new USB-C charging port. Other devices possess a standard US plug or a 3-prong plug with a grounding pin. With all these combinations, is there a one-size-fits-all solution? What if I told you there was? Our Nimble is much more than a universal travel adapter. Any type of socket, anywhere. Not only does it have 3 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports to charge all the newest devices, it can do it all at the same time. Apple or Android, you'll never have to worry about charging your state-of-the-art smartphone ever again. Nimble thinks ahead, so you don't have to. And no matter how ugly your spare cables are, Nimble is capable of fast charging your devices through them with its defining QC 3.0 technology. Like I said before, this is more than a universal travel adapter. It's the future travel adapter. Travel like a pro, charge like a local.